Hey everybody, it's Carly here, and I just have a quick little Target storage haul, and then I thought it'd be fun to take a look at this crafty magazine that I picked up at the Sam's Club. So first of all, I went to Target. I'd seen quite a few people that had been hauling some really cute organizational bins and stuff from the Target dollar spot. So I went in there today after leaving the office, and I picked up, let me move this out of the way, a couple of more of these bins. They are the $3 bins, and they come in lots and lots of colors. I went ahead and picked up 3 clear. That's all they had left. Yes, these are $3, and yes, Dollar Tree, I can get them a little bit cheaper, but sometimes they're not as stiff and sturdy. You see, these are harder, and they hold a little bit more weight. So if I want to use them for dies or for stamps, they hold up really nicely. So I went ahead and got 3 clear, and I've bought a couple of these before. A couple weeks ago, I got a couple of the minty green ones, and then I picked up a couple of the pink ones, and this is why I like them. Because if I'm working on a project or a group of, usually when I make cards, I make multiples. So in here is everything that I was using to work on all of these cards. I'll give you a little sneak peek. So I've got several in here of different colors, and I should do a video on these because they really turned out really cute. So super cute. These are stencils, and I got matching envelopes. So I've got them in a couple different colors. So I keep all of my stamps in here, and then of course my completed cards in here. So this is why I like them, because I can take this anywhere. If I want to go upstairs and, you know, sit in the living room or whatever. That's what's great about these, is because they're sturdier. So I'd also seen quite a few people haul this. I've already taken off the, you know, the packaging and stuff. And this is a larger of the same container, but it has these cool removable dividers, and it will hold your larger dies or stamps. Now I will tell you, these little dividers were taped up here, and the tape that they use, I had to pull out my undo to get it off because it was so sticky. So be warned if you get a couple of these. My store only had 1 clear and 1 black, so I went ahead and got the clear, and these will fit nicely on some of the shelves that I've been using. So check out your Target. These are nice and sturdy. Another container that I bought, this was actually, my Target had a whole aisle that was clearance, and they had a lot of really cool things, but I really didn't need it. Some of the stuff I didn't use, a lot of like the electronics and stuff, chargers and stuff like that, but a lot of little teeny tiny things. But I did pick up one of these, and this was regularly $3, and it was on sale for $1.50, and it is a makeup tray. And I wish that it came one color, you know, except for gray and white, but they were all like this. So it is a tray with a removable piece, and it stacks. So here you have your divided section and then your lower section, and I thought this would be great for me right here on my workstation, because I always have little tiny little containers to hold things and move them around. So this will work great to put some things if I want to go ahead and convert to this, and then I can have certain things down there and certain things here. So I will give that a try. I've been trying to really reorganize my room. I've had a couple people say they'd love to see a room tour because I haven't done one in a while. I got some more cleaning to do before I do that. One other thing that I did pick up, and this was the cute little earbuds. I think these were 50 cents or $1. They're regularly $3, but it's the little wireless earbud case, and it's cute. Isn't that cute? It has a little clip, and I just thought it was really, really cute. So I got that, and that's all I got at Target. I wish they'd had some more of the clear, because you know, they're really, really cute, and I like how sturdy they are. Okay, so this is it says huge card making bundle pack, and it is by Make Special Cards. Super cute. So this was at Sam's Club, and you know, they mark their things a little bit cheaper. This is normally $19.99, and I want to say, I don't have my receipt with me, I want to say it was $15 or $16, but I won't do a complete flip, but I will show you like a little highlight reel. So it says inspire 28 card ideas to make for your loved ones. And yeah, 4 exclusive card making sets just for you. So this one, a lot of times when you get these little bundles, they are all themed and they all go together. This one's a little more all over the place because I already did a quick little look. So again, that's it. You can get these at Barnes and Nobles and stuff, but I happened to see it at Sam's Club. So this is card making and paper craft. So this is a stamp set, and you get a couple little dies. You get the little camper and the sign. That's really, really cute. That'd be a cute little beach sign. Super cute. So you probably can't see all. Maybe I'll open these up real quick so you can see them all. So this is called the Great Outdoors. It's 35-piece builder stamp and die set. So you only get the 2 dies. But check all the cute little images. Aren't those cute? So they're like little campers. You get the little hedgehog, a bear, an owl, a bunny. And they're so cute. Look, you can get the little roasted marshmallow or the little hot dog on a stick. Then you have a wild birthday, life's an adventure, campfire kisses, enjoy the little things. Really cute. Like the little clouds and the stars, and there's the camper and the tent. Super cute. And the little images are really adorable. So you can do a lot with that. I wish you got the dies for the little animals, but they're really, really cute. So you can put them, you know, arrange the little logs and have them sitting on the logs. So I thought that would be really, really cute to make some scene cards. Those are always fun. They're a little more work because you got to color them. And of course you get the 2 dies. So there's that part. Now you're going to see why usually this kit doesn't really go together, because the next set that you get is the Majestic Peacock. This is build a scene with this set of 9 stamps and feather die. And it's really cute. So there's that. Look at that pretty feather. Very cool. And there's your peacock. And look at the pretty cards. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? So you only get the feather die. It'd be cool if you got the other dies, but yeah. So they show, I mean, you probably can get these dies somewhere else. A lot of times these are just like samples of a full stamp set. So I don't know. Very cute. So got that one. And then this one is a Dandelion Dreams. You get the embossing folder and stamp collection. Background, sentiments, and embellishments. You get the little embossing folder. That's really pretty. And then you get all these little coordinating stamps. Super cute. Wishing you a happy birthday. Thank you. Thinking of you. Make a wish. Very cool. I like that bee. Isn't that cute? So you get 17 stamp designs and of course the embossing folder. Very cute. And that's all the stamps and dies, but you get this paper kit, and it has all of these foiled embellishments. And then there's coordinating paper in here. So you get this whole paper kit. Does it have a name? It's called Fairy Tales. Super cute. Got a lot of little fairies in there. And then you get the little magazine. Now, typically when you buy these kits, the free product that you get is highlighted and examples are given in this little magazine. Look how thin this magazine is. It's getting smaller and smaller. So when I was flipping through this, I noticed that none of the samples in here match the little inserts of the kits. But they are cute little ideas. So I love taking these on trips. But again, none of these examples in here match the dies. So that's why I said this is kind of like a little hodgepodge of little kits. But I still love them because I like getting all these cute little stamp sets. Like this one is just too cute. Too stinking cute. A lot of fun. So that's just a quick look at what comes in that kit. You get a lot. You really do. I just wish that it coordinated with this because I do like looking at these for ideas and suggestions. But they give little sketches, so you can use these sketches to create your own card with these goodies. So Alright guys, that's all that I picked up recently. Hope y'all are all doing well, and I will talk to you later. I'll come back. I have several project shares that I've started to tape and video, so I just got to get them all done and edited. So hope y'all are doing well, and I will talk to you later. Bye everybody.